Here we have a small 1 1/4 hundredweight Brooks anvil mounted on a oak barrel, which makes it the perfect height. As you can see, by standing up with your fist on the anvil. The anvil is in very good condition, apart from a very small hole here, the surface rust where it's been outside for a couple of weeks, but nice square edges, as can be seen. It's a good anvil, and here is the Alcosa, Alcosa GF070 portable forge, blacksmith's forge. Runs off the propane, colour approved. It's got all the pipe, the tap there. This is the inside of it, and we have an oxo acetylene tank, a small one,